Ever feel like you are failing at Italian because of what you saw on YouTube? After coaching hundreds of real learners from busy parents to actors, have seen how some Italian language videos leave my students feeling inadequate, stuck and discouraged even when they are making real progress. So in this video I'm going to show you the truth behind these fluency stunts, what YouTubers never show you behind the scenes, and a smarter way to actually speak Italian even if you only have got 5 minutes a day. So, step number 1. What YouTubers really do. You think these YouTubers are gifted, that they pick up Italian like magic. They don't. It's like watching an Instagram body transformation and thinking you'll get those abs from a 20-minute home workout. Spoiler. You won't. These challenges aren't designed to help you, they are designed to impress you. Every shot is edited, rehearsed, subtitled, they memorize phrases, set up controlled conversations, ask native speakers to go slow, and then they slap the word fluent on it. It's not learning, it's performance. And here is the dangerous part. You watch that and you think, I guess I'll never be good at languages. But you are not watching reality, you are watching a trailer. You are learning for real life. They are performing for likes. So let's pull back the curtain and expose what's actually happening. Step number 2, the YouTube scam. Let's talk about the scam. These videos generate sponsorship deals, course sales, massive watch time, and YouTube rewards them because you click and you know it's not true, but you can't help. But here is the problem. When you see someone claim fluency in 7 days and you have been studying for 3 months and still freeze up, you think you are the failure. You are not. You will think I'd call them out by now, but they're not worth it. Your time is better spent learning what actually works. And yes, I've used titles like Fluent in 7 days, but not to sell the dream, to expose it. I use the hook to get you here so I can give you a method that actually works. Because the worst part of this story is that you start chasing their edited, filtered results instead of building your own. These videos aren't about fluency, they are about clicks, sales, ego, and this leads to our step number 3. Why you should never compare yourself. Let's be real. You are comparing your slow, messy, real learning journey to someone else's edited, subtitled, monetized highlight reel. It's like watching a wedding montage while you are in the kitchen arguing about who forgot to buy toilet paper. It's not a fair comparison and it destroys confidence. Real fluency doesn't feel like a YouTube video. It feels like forgetting words, freezing mid-sentence, asking come si dice, showing up again the next day. Anyway, I've seen it firsthand. The students who make it aren't the fastest, they are the most consistent. Real fluency is emotional, imperfect, human. It doesn't happen in 7 days, but it does happen. So forget the fluency fantasy. Forget Duolingo streaks. Forget the guy on YouTube who learned Italian just in time for a trip to Milan. If you really want to speak Italian, download the free challenge below. 5 days, 5 real-world tasks. Once you are done, if you really want to take Italian to the next level, you need to watch this video next. And remember, stick to Italian, and Italian will stick to you. Ciao!